I'm out here in gale force winds flying my drone. Let's get right to it. I've been flying 3 packs now in this gale force winds. These are 90 meters per second winds. I don't know if you can see it in the trees behind me. It's very windy out here. I could feel it in the air. I could definitely feel that there was some wind. Definitely going in one direction and not the other. This one I was very fast in, this one not quite as fast. And also a slight bobble and wobble here and there when the wind was at its peaks or there was a strong gust. But I definitely think that you can absolutely fly in strong winds if you want to. You can maneuver it just fine and there's not really a big problem. Of course, don't go fly in risky areas or areas where you only have tight gaps to hit. You will lose a bit of control over your quad when you're flying in high winds, but don't let it stop you. How much wind have you been ripping your drone in? Leave a comment down below. As always, get out there and get flying.
Don't see from my side. Open, try to be open. You just don't know what it's like. Feels like I'm falling. I can't seem to catch myself. Help me.